Hi again, and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll do some fun exercises connected to the story from the last video. If you haven't seen it yet, now's a great time to go back and watch it. It will help you enjoy this part even more. Let's begin. Test 1. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word rug mean? A. A piece of thick material placed on the floor for comfort, warmth, or decoration. B. A flat surface attached to a wall to hold items. C. A long seat for several people to sit on. The correct answer is A. A piece of thick material placed on the floor for comfort, warmth, or decoration. Test 2. Choose the correct word. Which word means a movable barrier that allows entry into or exit from a room or building? A. Lamp. B. Coat rack. C. Door. The correct answer is C. Door. Test 3. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word bench mean? A. A long seat, usually made of wood, for several people to sit on. B. A small fixture attached to a wall used for hanging items. C. The upper surface of a room opposite the floor. The correct answer is A. A long seat, usually made of wood, for several people to sit on. Test 4. Choose the correct word. Which word means a vertical structure that forms the side of a room or building? A. Hat stand. B. Wall. C. Shelf. The correct answer is B. Wall. Test 5. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word hall mean? A. A room or space near the entrance of a house or apartment, often used for welcoming guests and organizing items. B. A piece of furniture for organizing shoes. C. A reflective surface used to see oneself. The correct answer is A. A room or space near the entrance of a house or apartment, often used for welcoming guests and organizing items. You're doing great. Don't stop now. Let's test your full understanding of the story. Test 1. Multiple choice. These questions have several answer options, but only one is correct. They will help you remember key details from the text. Question 1. What is Kimberly's favorite part of her home? A. The kitchen. B. The bedroom. C. The hall. D. The living room. The correct answer is C. The hall. Question 2. What does Kimberly use to check her outfit before leaving the house? A. Mirror. B. Shelf. C. Rug. D. Wall hook. The correct answer is A. Mirror. Question 3. Where does Kimberly keep her keys and small bag? A. On the wall hook. B. On the shelf. C. On the coat rack. D. On the mirror. The correct answer is A. On the wall hook. Test 2. True or false? You need to decide whether a statement is true or false. This will help you check how well you understand the text. 1. Kimberly feels happy when she opens the door to her hall. True. 2. The ceiling in Kimberly's hall is low. False. The ceiling in Kimberly's hall is high. 3. Kimberly sometimes sits on the chair to put on her sneakers. False. Kimberly sometimes sits on the bench to put on her sneakers. 4. Kimberly arranges items on shelves and keeps the hall tidy. True. Test 3. Fill in the blanks. In these questions, you need to recall the correct word to complete the sentence. This will help you reinforce key vocabulary. 1. Kimberly hangs her coats on the correct answer is coat rack. 2. A soft lies in front of the door, making the floor warm and cozy. The correct answer is rug. 3. A bright hangs from the ceiling, lighting the hall perfectly in the evening. The correct answer is lamp. 4. Kimberly always puts her small bag on A, near the door. The correct answer is wall hook. Test 4. Open-ended. These questions encourage you to share your thoughts and personal experiences. This will help you practice your English and engage with the video. 1. Why does Kimberly enjoy spending time in her hall? The correct answer is she enjoys it because the hall is tidy, organized, and has everything she needs. 2. How does Kimberly feel when she walks through the hall in the morning or evening? The correct answer is in the morning, she feels ready to start the day. In the evening, she feels calm and relaxed. 3. Which item in your home gives you a sense of organization or comfort? Why? Share your experience in the comments. You've done something great today, and I'm truly proud of you. Thank you for being here. Let me know how it went in the comments and if you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who also wants to learn English. See you in the next video.